Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making this creamy milky Ghanaian Abelewalls. This ice cream turned out to be so delicious and yummy. So let's get into the video. Into a bowl here, I will add 1.5 cup of milk powder and then add 1 cup of condensed milk. Also, I will add some warm water and mix all together. If you are new to the channel, I'm Gertrude and you are welcome to the channel. We make food recipes here. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. God bless you all for always coming back to watch my video, also leaving a comment. I don't take your love for granted. Thank you so much. So at this point, I realized the ice cream mixture was too thick and I added some more water. So the thickness of your ice cream depends on your preference. If you want it more light, you can go ahead and just add the water, and if you want it thick too, you can also add just a little water. So at this point, I will just go ahead and strain the ice cream mixture and then go ahead to serve them in my cups. Are you still watching? If you are, please don't forget to like this video. Also share this video to reach wider audience. Now I went ahead to add my vanilla essence, then give it a good mix. So just look how creamy this ice cream is. We have not yet finished, but this looks so creamy. Now I'll serve them into my cups. Okay fam, so after serving them, I went ahead to put in the sticks. These sticks are very common. You can get it in the market or anywhere. And the rest of the mixture, I was able to put them in this rubber. So this will be going into the freezer for hours, and normally I keep them overnight. So after the next day, this is the lovely outcome of our ice cream, looking so yummy, easy to put together, and it also came out very perfect. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video after watching, and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video, and please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Bye.